Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tuna in a can. First, always drain your tuna thoroughly. This step is essential for good texture. Press out all the excess water or oil from 2 5-ounce cans, ensuring your base is firm and flavorful. Then, gather your simple ingredients, perhaps 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of finely diced celery. This preparation is perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. For a classic tuna salad, simply combine your flaked tuna with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly with a fork, ensuring all ingredients are well incorporated. This simple method creates a delicious filling for sandwiches or a topping for crackers, ready in just a few minutes. To make a warm tuna melt, spread your prepared tuna salad onto 2 slices of bread, then top with a slice of cheddar or Swiss cheese. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan over medium heat, then place your sandwich carefully into the skillet. Cook for about 3 minutes per side until the bread is golden brown and the cheese is wonderfully melted. This makes a comforting, hot meal. Canned tuna also shines in a speedy pasta dish. While your 8 ounces of pasta cooks, gently sauté 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once fragrant, add the drained tuna, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and a 1/2 cup of chicken broth to the pan. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then toss with the hot pasta for a complete meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.